Hi kids. Yeah, today we'll start with the geography chapter. Name of the chapter is Globe, Latitude and Longitudes. This is chapter number 2. So over here what we need to understand, what is a globe? Can you see the picture? Yes. Looking at it, just looking at it, we all will understand what is a globe, correct? Globe is a true model of the earth. It is a small miniature form of Earth. Okay, the big Earth is made into a small replica. A model is made of the Earth that is called globe. Yeah. And in different places you find very small ones also, globe size, sometimes very big ones. Depend on what's the use of that globe. Okay. And can you see the globe is attached? Globe is attached with nails on two sides. One is at the north and south sides. Yeah, that C shape what you can see, we can say that is the axis on which the earth is going on rotating. It's just a model, so to have that feel. And you can see it is not straight, our earth is little bit tilted, correct? You can see that from the structure, the model of the globe. Yes, very good. Now you can see north is not exactly on the top, it is little bit tilted towards the west side, and south is coming little bit towards the east side, correct? Yes. Yeah. Now, looking at the globe, we can see all the different places which are there on the earth. Correct? You can see which place is near which country, which everything you can make out with the help of a globe. Now, kids, can you see the middle line in between? Yeah, I'll show you. Wait. Yes. Can you see the red color line over here? Yes. That is one imaginary line drawn on the globe, exactly passing to the center of the globe. This imaginary line is called equator. What is it called? Equator. This equator is exactly at the center of the globe, and it divides the equator into two parts. Okay. So what is equator? It is the imaginary line drawn. Yes, say it, come on. It is the imaginary line drawn exactly from the center of the globe. Yes. And it divides the globe into two parts. These two parts we call as hemispheres. The part from north pole to equator is called northern hemisphere, and the part from south pole to equator is called southern hemisphere. Got it, kids, all of you? Yes. The part from equator to the north pole is northern hemisphere, and the part from south pole to equator is the southern part. Yes. So this is what we have learned today. Correct? Now you can see on the globe there are many vertical lines and horizontal lines. Correct? Vertical means the straight standing lines, and the horizontal means the sleeping lines. I will teach you about this tomorrow. Okay? Bye bye, kids.